Welcome to your inspirational story and encouragement channel titled, From Law to Culinary Stardom, Jamie's Amazing Journey. Jamie has been accepted into one of the top culinary schools in Paris, a dream she never imagined when she first moved to the US at 17. Jamie's family in London had expected her to follow in their footsteps and become a lawyer. However, after living with Mrs. James and her husband, Mr. James, during her final year of high school, she discovered a hidden passion. It began one weekend when Jamie helped Mrs. James cook dinner. Mrs. James was stunned by Jamie's natural ability and asked if she had ever considered culinary school. Though hesitant, Jamie entertained the idea. Mrs. James explained the importance of setting goals, and she and Mr. James began encouraging Jamie to explore her talent further. Jamie stayed with Mr. and Mrs. James longer, and their bond grew stronger. With encouragement from them and cautious support from her parents, they took her to visit a culinary school in New York, bought her cooking supplies, and supported her passion. Jamie's focus shifted from law to cooking, and her confidence blossomed. Gradually, Jamie began setting her sights on attending culinary school in Paris. What once seemed like an impossible dream became a real goal as she realized her own potential. With her determination and the James support, Jamie's transformation took root. Jamie's transformation wasn't immediate, but setting a new goal gave her the confidence and drive to pursue what she truly loved. Now, years later, Jamie is a renowned chef, catering for multinational companies' events, with over 100 staff working for her. Her business has flourished, and she is living her dream of not only cooking but leading a successful culinary team that is recognized internationally. What truly set Jamie apart was her willingness to embrace the unknown. She realized that success wasn't about following a prescribed path, but about having the courage to forge her own. Each step into the culinary world was a leap of faith, but it also brought her closer to her authentic self. Through every challenge, Jamie reminded herself that it wasn't just about the destination, but the journey of growth, passion, and self-discovery along the way. Today, she is an accomplished chef. If she can achieve that, you too can. If you have the determination, nothing can stop you when you believe in yourself and work toward your passion. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. This story reminds us of the importance of letting children find their own path. As parents, we must observe their interests and guide them accordingly. Forcing them into careers they don't love only leads to dissatisfaction and unhappiness. Some parents try to live their own unfulfilled dreams through their children, but this only stifles the child's potential. The best way to help children thrive is to encourage their passions, as Mr. and Mrs. James did with Jamie. They listened, supported her goals, and helped her believe in herself. By creating an environment where children can explore their interests, they gain the confidence to pursue what they love. Remember, success is not immediate, but when someone is emotionally connected to a goal and works consistently toward it, anything is possible. Jamie's story shows how powerful belief and support can be in achieving dreams. The key to success is emotional connection to what you love, paired with consistent action. Reflect on your own passions. What would you love to do if nothing held you back? Connect emotionally with that vision, and work toward it until it becomes a reality. I hope you are inspired by Jamie's story, and learn some valuable lessons from it. If today's story resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. You will succeed.